أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start Suratul Layli Makkiyah. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so please subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Now we start. Suratul Layli Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wal-layli وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَى وَاللَّيْلِ. Here waw we connect with the lam wal, and lay after the lam there is ya leen. Ya is coming with sukun sign on it, and there is fatha on the before letter. This ya we read in soft sound. وَاللَّيْلِ وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا. Here is alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha sign, which is on the zal. We long here إِذَا, and also zal we read in soft sound. Yawsha. The ghain letter is isti'la letter, so we make here heavy sound, and also the quality of rakhawa, like the continuation of our sound, as we say yaw, okay, yawsha. We cannot make yaghsha, which is the kalkala sound, and that is wrong here. We cannot make this sound yaghsha. Okay, you make sure to make the rakhawa quality like the continuation of our sound. It will be yawsha. Now we say all together. وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَى. This sheen also belong due to standing fatha on it. The next, وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا تَجَلَّى وَالنَّهَارِ. Waw we connect with the noon because noon has a shadda sign, so we make ghunna sound here. As we long 1 second, so we say one. Ha we long due to alif madda here. Ra we read in light sound. There is kasra under the ra, so we say one nahari. Iza. Za we long due to alif madda, and zal also we read in soft sound. Tajalla. So on the lam there is a standing fatha we long here. Even we stop or even we continue, so we read this standing fatha which is coming on the lam, and ya is a silent here, so we say tajalla. وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا تَجَلَّى وَمَا خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ وَمَا خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ وَالْأُنثَى وَمَا. Mim we long due to alif madda. Kha we read in heavy sound kha. Lam we read in light sound. Qaf also we read in heavy sound, so we say khalaqal. So kha and qaf we read in heavy sound. Khalaqal. But we do not long any letter in this word. Zakara. Again we do not long any letter, but zal we read in soft sound. Kaf we read in light sound. Ra we read in heavy sound, and due to fatha sign on it, so we say Khalaqal zakara. Zakara. Khalaqal zakara. Wal-unsa. Waw we connect with the lam. Wal-unsa. On the noon there is ikhfa sound. After the noon sakin, the next letter is sa, which is one of from 15 ikhfa letters. So we make ikhfa sound, we hide the sound of noon here. Wal o sa. Sa we long due to standing fatha on it, because standing fatha is equal to alif madda. So then you can see there is a little mad, because this mad is called madde munfasil, as when we continue on this place, so this mad will be madde munfasil. Like after the madda letter, the next letter is hamza in the next word, like in the beginning of the next word, which is inna. So here is hamza. So after the madda letter, so madda letter where is this standing fatha, because standing fatha is equal to alif madda. So that's why we can say this is a madda letter, which is alif. So after the madda letter, hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word. So this mad will be madde munfasil. You have to long 3 to 4 alif. So we say wal usa inna, if we continue. Otherwise you have to stop. So you can see there is circle sign and lam alif. So this is optional place for you. If your breath is long, you have to continue. If your breath is short, so you should stop here then and don't continue, because lam alif means don't stop and circle means you have to stop. So that's why this is optional place for you. So we say again, وَمَا خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ وَالْأُنثَى وَمَا خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ وَالْأُنثَى إِنَّ سَعْيَكُمْ لَشَتَّى. Inna, on the noon there is shadda sign, we make gunna, we long also. Sa'yakum, on the ain we make tawassut quality, like the moderation sound, and this ain also we read in soft sound. Sa'yakum lashatta. After the mim sakin you can see there is lam, so we make izhar shafawi here, like the clear sound of mim, and this ta we long due to standing fatha on it. So we say Sa'yakum lashatta. So we say Inna sa'yakum lashatta. فأما من أعطى واتقى فأما, on the meme this is shadda sign, so we make gunna, and also we long here due to alif madda. فأما man a'ta. After the noon sakin, the next letter is hamza, we make izhar here, so the clear sound of noon, man a, and ain we read softly, a'ta, and on the ta we read heavy sound, and also we long, man a'ta wattaqa. Ta we read in light sound, qaf we read again in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and also we long when we stop. So this standing fatha we read there. So we say فَأَمَّا مَنْ أَعْطَى وَاتَّقَى. فَأَمَّا مَنْ أَعْطَى وَاتَّقَى وَصَدَّقَ بِالْحُسْنَى. وَصَدَّقَ, صاد we read in heavy sound, qaf also we read in heavy sound. وَصَدَّقَ بِالْحُسْنَى, ba we kuna with the lam, and ha we kuna with the sin, hus. Bilhus, in the sin there is whistling sound and hums quality as well, like the continuation of our breath, and also the weakness come in this quality. Bilhus, hus. Na we long due to standing fatha on it. بالحسنى وصدق بالحسنى فسنيسره لليسرى. fasanuyassiruhu. We do not long any letter here, and on the ra we read heavy sound due to dhamma on it. Ha we long due to inward dhamma on it. So we say fasanuyassiruhu lil yusra. Lil lam we connect with the lam, ya we connect with the sin with the whistling sound, and also the hums quality. On the ra we read heavy sound due to standing fatha on it, so we long as well. So we say lil yusra, lil yusra, fasanuyassiruhu lil yusra, wa amma man bakhila, man bakhila wastaghna, wastaghna. Wa amma on the meme, again there is gunna, and alif is also, alif madda is there, we long there as well. Wa amma man bakhila. After the noon sakin, the next letter is ba. So we make iqlab here as we convert this noon into meme, which you can see here is a little meme. So this meme we read basically then with the soft sound by closing our lips. So we say man bakhila, and kha we read in heavy sound. Man bakhila wastaghna. So on the scene again whistling sound, the hums quality. On the ghain we rate the rahawa quality, like the continuation of our sound, and also the heavy sound. Wastaghna. So we cannot say qalqala sound here. Wastaghna, tagh. Mostly people make this mistake, so make sure to correct your sound. Wastaghna. Now we say all together. وَأَمَّا مَنْ بَخِلَ وَاسْتَغْنَى وَكَذَّبَ بِالْحُسْنَى وَكَذَّبَ. So we do not long any letter here. Zal we read in soft sound. Bil husna, ba we connect with the lam, ha we connect with the sin with the whistling sound, and noon also we long here. So we say all together. وَكَذَّبَ بِالْحُسْنَى وَكَذَّبَ بِالْحُسْنَى فَسَنُيَسِّرُهُ لِلْعُسْرَى لِلْعُسْرَى. We do not long any letter again here. Ra we read in heavy sound, ha we long, لِلْعُسْرَى. Again ra we long due to standing fatha on it, and also we read ra in heavy sound. So we say فَسَنُيَسِّرُهُ لِلْعُسْرَى وَمَا يُغْنِي عنه ماله إذا تردى وما we long meme due to alif madda here. Yughni again on the ghain rakhawa quality, do not make qalqala, and also the heavy sound. Ni we long due to ya madda, ya is coming with sukun sign and there is kasra before the ya. So we say wama yughni anhu. On the noon we make izhar. After the noon sakin, the next letter is throttle letter, so we make izhar here. So we say anhu, like the clear sound of noon. Maluhu, meme we long due to alif madda, ha we long due to inward dhamma on it. So we say maluhu, and there is a mad sign as well, which we can say this is waw madda, like inward dhamma is equal to waw madda. So we say that there is waw madda right now. After the madda letter, the next letter is hamza, which is coming in the beginning of the next word. which is ida, e. So this e is hamza. So this mad is mad munfasil again. So we long 3 to 4 second here. So we say maluhu ida. Za we long due to alif madda here. Iza taradda. Ra we read in heavy sound. Dal also we long due to standing fatha. Iza taradda. Ra we read in heavy sound and dal we read in light sound. So we say all together. وَمَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُ مَالُهُ إِذَا تَرَدَّى إِنَّ عَلَيْنَا لَلْهُدَى Inna, again on the noon there is shadda sign, we may gunna. Alayna, this ya we read in soft sound, noon we long due to alif madda. Alayna lal huda. So dal only we long here, lam we gonna with the lam. Lal huda with the light sound. So we say now Inna alayna lal huda. Inna alayna lal huda. So I hope you understand up to here, and now we read again this complete lesson without spelling. So listen carefully and try with me yourself. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wal-layli idha yaghsha. وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا تَجَلَّى وَمَا خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ وَالْأُنثَى إِنَّ سَعْيَكُمْ لَشَتَّى فَأَمَّا مَنْ أَعْطَى وَاتَّقَى وَصَدَّقَ بِالْحُسْنَى فَسَنُيَسِّرُهُ لِلْيُسْرَى وَأَمَّا مَنْ بَخِلَ وَاسْتَغْنَى وَكَذَّبَ بِالْحُسْنَى فَسَنُيَسِّرُهُ لِلْعُسْرَى وَمَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُ مَالُهُ إِذَا تَرَدَّى إِنَّ عَلَيْنَا لَلْهُدَى. So I hope you understand this surah. If you have any kind of question regarding this surah, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, in the next class, we will start the remaining lesson of this surah. So have a nice time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.